Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect Stripe with QuickBooks. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Start by signing in to QuickBooks Online and opening the company you want to connect to Stripe. Once you're inside QuickBooks, navigate to the Integrations section at the top right. From there, select the option to find or browse available integrations. In the App Marketplace, use the search bar to look for Stripe, review the available results, and select the official Stripe integration designed for QuickBooks. Open the Stripe integration page. And here, click on Get Integration Now button. After that, authorize the connection on this page. Once that's done, click Connect to begin the setup process. After that, just follow the on-screen instructions and provide any necessary information. Once the authorization is complete, QuickBooks will finalize the connection and return you to the integrations page. You should now see Stripe listed among your active integrations. And that's it. So that's basically how you can connect Stripe with QuickBooks. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.